Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another video. It's time to do unbox the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. And guys, and this is a new high-end mid-range phone that we have only from Tecno, and this phone is costing around 86,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. In the 86,000 PKR we have a MediaTek Helio G200 SoC. We don't even have a 5G SoC on this Camon 50 Pro. We also have a 6500 mAh battery size. We have 45 watt super fast charging support. On the front we have 1.5K 144Hz AMOLED display. We have a Gorilla Gorilla Glass on the front. So let's see what is Tecno has to offer inside the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. And the color I have is the green color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. So now let's quickly unbox this phone. Now first let me remove the plastic with my knife. And once again, the box comes in the blue white tone. Also on the front you can see we have a 50 megapixel Sony camera. We have IP69K water and dust resistance. So now let's open this box. So here is the envelope on the top. So Tecno AI. So inside this envelope we have our stimulation tool. We also have a tempered glass, and here's some installation guide for the tempered glass, and here is the quick start guide. And we also have a silicone case, which is a hard case, which also comes in the green color. Really good quality case we have. And here is the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. So now let's start off from this box. Once again, these are the main highlighting feature. We have a 50 megapixel Sony camera, and we also have a 60x AI zoom. We will see that in my upcoming camera test. Now let's start the phone from this plastic. And as you can see, here is the green color looks like. I gotta say this one looks really beautiful, I would say. And the back, it is made up of plastic actually, and the frame also, it is made up of plastic. On the back looks like we have triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera. So in the back it is slightly curved, so it feels really comfortable in the hand. Despite having we have 6500 mAh battery size, and the weight balance is done excellent. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Let's see what else we get in it than the phone. So here is the 45 watt adapter we have inside the box. We have 45 watt fast charging in 86,000 PKR price range, which is really disappointing. And here is the USB type C to USB A cable. So that's about it inside the box. Now let's look at the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. First let me show you the physical overview. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as our SIM tray, water and dust resistance rating. So looks like we don't have any micro SD card support. You can use the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. On the left side we have one more button, and on the top we have another speaker, IR blaster with another microphone. We have a Dolby Atmos support, volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button. It is on the right hand side. So on the front we have a gorgeous looking 6.7 inch 1.5K 144Hz AMOLED display, and this one has a curved AMOLED display. And the bottom chin, even the forehead, it is really small. We have a center punch hole on the top. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. So here are the pre-installed apps we have. So a lot of apps it is already installed. So here's the notification panel looks like, and the notification, it is really inspired from iOS. So here is the max brightness. So display looks, I would say, really bright. We don't have any issue at all. So let's go to the settings. Now let's see the Android version, and this one is running on latest Android 16. Also we have iOS version 16.1. we have 256 GB of internal storage. Out of we only have a 23.63 GB it is already used. And also we have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner. So here is a fingerprint scanner. Works not the fastest in my first attempt. As you can see, we have an animation. So now let's look at the camera. So this one has a 50 megapixel back camera, and here is the portrait mode, which is also available with all the lenses. Here is the night mode in the mode section, and the pro mode also available. Even the dual view video mode also available. So here is a super macro mode and the slow motion also available. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So here is a selfie camera looks like. And selfie camera I would say looks really decent in this lighting condition. The picture is came out I would say nice after the processing or not, let's see. And you can see, and the processing is taking a lot of time, and the picture is came out nice. So here is a video mode. We also have ultra steady mode. So on the front we also have a 2K at 30 fps support. We also have a full HD at 60 fps. We also have our bokeh mode. So here is the portrait mode, here is the night mode. So in the mode section and the slow motion it is not available. Now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has 6500 mAh battery size. Also we have 45 watt super fast charging, and this phone definitely will give you a 1.5 day battery life on a heavy use without any problem. Overall I have to say regarding the Tecno Camon 50 Pro, and the only thing which I did not like is the processor. This phone has a Helio G200 which is not acceptable in this price range. We should at least have a Dimensity 7400 like we have on the Infinix Note 60, which also comes in the same price tag. So I definitely don't recommend the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. I definitely recommend the Infinix Note 60, which has a 5G SoC, also a much better, more powerful SoC. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.